My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, and I must be completely honest, this is take 2. And I'll let you know in a minute why this is take 2. Now, our video, we will be unboxing our May IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave some information below, and we're just going to talk about this one in particular. Now, the Glam Bag Plus is $25 per month, and it comes with 5 full-size products, plus a makeup bag each and every month. So let's find out what those 5 products are and what that makeup bag looks like. So when we open our box, of course, across the front it says "to you, from you," and on the inside it encourages you to discover yourself. All right, now the reason that we ended up having to do a take 2 is because this month there is no description card enclosed. Yes, you heard me right, no description card enclosed. However, we didn't know that because this is what's here, and this one tells us that this month's theme is Get That Glow. However, there is not one bit of information about any of the products. But it does say, a new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter. All right, y'all, you know, don't be walking around looking like the sun. Then you know you've gone too far, okay? And bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing? Then it says to learn more about your products, head to IPSY.com for tips and tricks straight from our pros. So in order for me to give you that information, in order for me to give you prices, we have to go online so that I can share accurate information with you. So that is what we are doing, hence take 2. So the first item that we have is by Wander Beauty. And this is the Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in the shade, which is not a shade at all, Clear. And it says grooming your brows can be complicated, and who has time for that? Lucky for you, this clear gel makes it so easy. A few swipes tames strays and gives your brow hairs soft, flexible hold that lasts all day. Okay. Now, this is the full-size product, and it is it is 0.2 ounces. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $22. Now, here we go. Now, I do use a brow gel already for my brows because, look, after you finish going through all of this sculpting and whatnot, nobody has time to walk outside. You touch it and it's smeared all over the place. So this is a great item to have, I must admit. So, okay, I'm here for this one. Our second item is the In Beauty Project, and this is Glaze One Lip Oil for soft, plump, and supple lips. Alrighty then. And IPSY.com says this is what the actual product looks like. Okay, so IPSY says, not only does this lip oil smell juicy, it makes your lips look plump and juicy too. No chemicals here. This naturally colored and flavored oil has a bright red tint and yummy candy apple scent that's straight up delicious. Okay, I'm going to put some lip oil on. Oh, this is a nice applicator. Okay, it's not too red. I can handle this. But it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, we're here for it. This is a 5 milliliter size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $15. Okay, and that is item number 2. Back in the box we go. And the next item that we have is by Tarte. And this is the Tartiest lip paint. Okay, and this one is in the shade Fortune. Now, IPSY.com says this is the quick dry matte lip paint. And as I stated, in the shade Fortune. All right, and it says matte liquid lipsticks are amazing. Yes, they are. They're pigmented, they don't budge, and last for ages. The dryness that often accompanies them, not so amazing. This lipstick has the best of both worlds. It provides full coverage, payoff, that is so weightless, you'll forget you're wearing any lipstick. The toasty brown shade is the perfect way to get in on the 90s inspired look and trend. These guys dry fast. They say like really, really fast, meaning transferring, bleeding, and mirror checks will be a thing of the past. Well, I probably should have did this one before I did the lip oil. However, I have, let's just swipe it and see. Oh, that's gorgeous. And that's almost dry. Wow. Here's the shade. And it really is almost dry. Okay. This one weighs in at 6 milliliters, and the manufacturer suggested retail price, because yes, this is a full size, is $20. The next item that we have is by MOTD. Okay, not sure about that company, but that doesn't mean anything. I don't know every brand, every company that's out there, but this is the 5-piece brush set, and it's by the company MOTD, Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. Okay, all right, so this is the 5-piece eye brush set. So let's check it out. Not only are these matte black and rose gold brushes gorgeous, they're practical. Each handle is clearly labeled so you know exactly where it goes and what it does and how to use it. Use Masterpiece Crease, no fudge, just smudge, and sultry smudge to apply, blend, and smudge pigments all over your lids, in the crease or along the lash line. Use Pencil Me In and straight to the point to add details and create crisp graphic lines. So we're going to go through them so we know which one is which. So this one is no fudge, just smudge. That's this one. Then we have Masterpiece Crease, which is this one. Then we have Pencil Me In. That's this one. Then we have Straight to the Point. That's this one. And last but not least, we have Sultry Smudge. This one right here. Now, I must admit, they are beautiful. But this is one of those times when functionality is what we really want from something like this. Okay, the names, knowing exactly how to use them, that's fantastic. However, knowing how to use them and then going to use them and they don't work would present a problem. So we're going to have to check these out and see. So you can look forward to a video such as that coming along. Now, right now, I have to tell you, these brushes smell bad. They really do. And I know it's just because they've been in this package for so long. So before we do a video on these, they will be airing out. So this one is our next item. So moving right along, the next one, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even let you know that the manufacturer suggested retail price for these brushes, $34. Okay, I'm kind of having a little bit of a moment. I like this lip oil. I do, because my lips are not sticking together. It does not feel greasy. It does not feel like it's over the top. And I'll stop right there. Okay, the next item, I knew I was getting this one because I picked it. And that is by Colored Rain. And this is the Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is the packaging. And this outer packaging, but this right here. These are the shades. How about that? That right there is gorgeous. Now, I picked Colored Rain because I like what the company stands for, and I don't own anything by them, so I really wanted to try this product. So it says, here at IPSY headquarters, we're living for this limited edition and IPSY exclusive palette with rustic earth-toned eyeshadows. The 4 matte and 2 shimmer shades can be used to create an endless array of looks, from a soft, subtle wash of color to big, beautiful smoky eyes. Okay, I'm here for that. And it says this palette was practically made for getting glam on the go. It's totally portable and has a functional built-in mirror. That is the full length of this palette. So very, very nice. Very nice. I'm here for this one. So how about we swatch? I'm going to swatch one matte shade and one shimmer shade. Okay. I'm glad that I decided to try them. Here are the swatches. Not the one on the top. That's the lipstick. That's already completely dry. But here are the coloring shades. Look at that. That shimmer is everything. Okay. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this palette is $22 and it is 7.2 grams. Now, that's not bad for 7 shadows. That's a little bit more than $3 per shadow. That is not bad at all. So, I must admit, I'm definitely feeling that. I'm glad I chose that item. Now, the last thing in the box is our makeup bag. This one I'm getting summer vibes from. Definitely getting summer vibes from. I like it. I absolutely like it. It's a little smaller than what I would like, but I definitely like the bag. So, and y'all already know, I've already shared with you what I do with the bags. The inside is quite interesting, to say the least. So, okay. Now, these are the items from our May IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the items in the box. Okay. Now, just remember the box total that we pay is $25 versus this total right here for all of the products that are enclosed. Now, before I say bye and thank you, or thank you and bye, I just want to remind you that there is an open giveaway on my channel right now. I'm going to leave the link above so that you can see the items that are available for this giveaway. Now, the reason I say it that way is because this particular giveaway allows the winner, which there will be 2, to choose the items that they want. Now, if you would like to see what those items are, take a look at this video. Okay, now the rules for this giveaway: to be entered, you must subscribe to Seasoned Beauties, you must follow Seasoned Beauties on Instagram, and the question that you must answer is, what is my new favorite concealer brush? That's all. See, I'm not making you jump through all these crazy hoops or anything like that. That's all you have to do to be entered into the giveaway. Once that's done and the winner is chosen, you get to let me know which of these products you would like to have. So make sure that you are subscribed. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it and share it with someone else. Now, I was totally honest with you as always to let you know this was take 2 because I believe in bringing you a quality product. Okay? Now, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.